Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion by Stars. In this video I will show you how to achieve soft glam eye makeup tutorial. I hope you guys this video is helpful for you. Please full watch video and stay connected. I feel so motivated when you guys leave adorable comments, and thank you so much for your appreciation. Please don't forget subscribe this channel. Thank you so much guys.